What's up, everyone? Today we are going to be sterilizing and germinating cacti seeds. First, you're going to need a 50 milliliter test tube or some other kind of container that's 50 milliliters. We'll start off by adding 0.4 grams of sugar. The sugar provides an energy source for the seed as it germinates. Next, we'll add 47.5 milliliters of distilled water. The water hydrates the seed and starts the germination process. Lastly, we'll be adding 2.5 milliliters of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Not only does it clean the seeds, but as the hydrogen peroxide breaks down, it releases an oxygen molecule, providing oxygen for the seed. Next, we are going to give that a good shake until all of the sugar has completely dissolved into our solution. Next, we'll add our seeds to the solution. We'll screw the lid on tight, and we're going to shake vigorously to make sure those seeds are thoroughly cleaned. All of these ingredients are readily available at most grocery stores. This method is helpful not only to kickstart germination, but it will also be very hard to overprocess your seeds. Make sure to label your seeds and add the time and date so you can keep track of the processing time. We'll let these seeds soak for 24 to 48 hours before we transfer them over to our media or to our soil. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Any materials shown in this video are available. You can hit us up. Our contact information will be shown at the very end.